In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find a working Nike promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then at google.com type in Nike promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites contains promo codes. You can open up any of them, and here you can scroll down to see all coupon codes. Here you can pick the one that you like more. For example, that one gives you 20% off. You can open it up to see that coupon code, then you can select it, hit on copy, and then move on to Nike website or to their mobile app where you can use that coupon code. Just don't forget to enter it before paying any money. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to the site and from here try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.